Hey guys, so I was here washing my beloved Prius. I love that Prius. You know, my friends at work ask, why don't I drive a truck? Um, why do I drive a Prius? And all the other things that manly guys want to say about Prius. And I don't get it. It's room inside, fits my golf clubs. I can actually put a ladder in this Prius. Um, This is a 2013, I think the third generation, and I have nothing but praises for this Prius. And if you could get one, you should get one. And make sure you put that anti-theft device for the cat. You know, it's a plate. I installed mine. Um, have a video somewhere when I was installing it. I'll try to find it and put some clips on here. But the reason I wanted to make this video was something that's really been bothering me. And while washing it, it just kind of brought it back to the front of my mind. So I thought I would share it. So the paint. And as far as my research, I think it mostly happens to the PearlWhite. And I'm very disappointed. I'm heartbroken actually, because this is my Prius and I intend to keep this Prius for a long time. So it doesn't matter what car I have. I want to drive this Prius because it saves me gas. It makes sense to drive it to work. I put lots of miles driving around every day, and this Prius just makes sense for me right now. So a little disappointed. When it first showed up, I ordered some touch-up paint, but then the same week I got a letter from Toyota about a recall on that paint. On my research, people are saying it's only going to cover if you're the original owner. So I need to call Toyota and verify for myself. But I just wanted to bring this up. So it's happening here, right by the window, the front door, the rear door. It showed up somewhere in there when I was washing it. I just noticed it today, inside here somewhere. So this is what's going on, guys. PearlWhite on Toyotas. I'm so disappointed because I like to keep my cars looking clean, and I'm heartbroken that this is happening to my Prius. It's kind of like when something happens to your kid. You get real sad, and so I'll find out what's going on with Prius with Toyota, and if not, I'll fix it myself. While I'm here, I just wanted to talk about these liners. They're made by Husky. I like them. They're an alternative to the more expensive brand. I've had the more expensive one on some other Lexus products, but my Tundra and the Prius, I bought these and I've been very pleased with them. So just something to share with you guys if you're looking for all-weather liner for your car. Okay guys, I have the letter here from Toyota. Just pause the video and so you could read, or you could take screenshots. So I'll scroll slowly. sense? So, if you're experiencing this problem and you weren't sure what to do, or if you already had it repaired, I think they'll reimburse you. Or now you could contact Toyota and get fixed or get reimbursed. Thank you for watching.